We're pretty proud of our program that we have out here. For the size of the local that we are and the amount of people that we have, I think, one of the best training programs in this part of the country. I'm Brian Adams. I'm the training director here for the Western States Operating Engineers for Local 370 and the Associated General Contractors. We've got about almost 90 active apprentices in this program here. So we've got quite a few kids working from the Canadian border to the Utah border, in Idaho and eastern Washington. And we cover quite a few different pieces of equipment. We cover over 1,200 pieces of equipment in the operating engineers. This program has been in existence since 1964, so it's almost 50 years old. I started out here as an apprentice in 1970. I've been an operator for 40 years. I've been with this program as the training director since 2008. So. But we have a pretty good selection of excavators and dozers and scrapers, and we have several cranes. We have a full mechanics shop that we do mechanical training in for the heavy equipment mechanics and welders. We have a GPS system set up out here. We teach global positioning system for grade checking. I'm going to set these guys up so they're ready to go to work. We put them through a 6-week boot camp before we send them out to work, and when they're done with that 6 weeks, they're work ready. They've got a forklift certification, they've got their OSHA 10, they've done grade checking. We've given them several weeks working at the actual equipment, building road out here, and they're ready to go to work. And we've got, from what some of the contractors tell us, the local contractors are kind of used to us, but these contractors that come in from outside of the state or out of our area say we've got some of the best apprentices that they've ever seen.
Since 1964, the Western States Operating Engineers Institute of Training has been a state-of-the-art registered and approved apprenticeship and training program with both the United States Department of Labor and the Washington State Apprenticeship Council. Apprenticeship has been and is today the backbone of the construction industry. Apprentices are members of a production force as they train on the job and in the classroom. Apprentices are paid wages and work a regular work week. This is an earn as you learn program. Experience indicates that apprentices are more motivated and learn their jobs faster. They attain craft worker status sooner and are more likely to become supervisors than workers trained in other ways. Opportunities for employment and advancement open up with the recognition that the apprentices are now skilled craft workers. At the end of their apprenticeship, they receive certificates similar to the diplomas awarded the engineering graduates of universities. Registered apprenticeship describes those apprenticeship programs which meet specific federally approved standards designed to safeguard the welfare of apprentices and which are registered with the Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training, U.S. Department of Labor, or one of 27 state apprenticeship agencies or councils approved by the BAT. It is a relationship between an employer and employee during which the worker or apprentice learns an occupation in a structured program sponsored jointly by employers and labor unions or operated by employers and employer associations. We take great pride in leading the way for today and tomorrow's apprentices.